Good morning students, this is Mr. Asif Khan and welcome back in the science world. Students, we have already started our lesson number 2, animal world. What is our lesson number 2? That is the animal world. In which now we are going to start our next point, that is adaptation in animals. Okay, just we have listened the word adaptations. One question is arises in your mind, what is meant by adaptations? Okay, so let's see the meaning of adaptations. I explain here definition of adaptation. Just you are listen and remember it. What is it is? Okay. So adaptations are changes in the features or behavior of an organism that help it to survive in its habitat. I repeat once again the definition of adaptation. Adaptations are changes in behavior of an organism which is help it to survive in its habitat. अपने बिहेवियर को एंड अपने फीचर्स को बिहेवियर को चेंज करना अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर हैबिटेट इज कॉल्ड एज एडेप्टेशंस. ओके, सो हाउ एडेप्टेशन पॉसिबल इन द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म? लेट्स सी. बिकॉज ऑफ सम फीचर्स, बिकॉज ऑफ बॉडी कवरिंग ऑफ एनिमल, द एडेप्टेशन इज पॉसिबल. Some animals, their body covered by scale. Few animals are their body covered by shell. The birds are their body covered by feathers, and some animals have their body covered by wool. These are the special features of the animal that animal live and their according to their habitat. Okay, so let's see the body covering. Okay, so first of all we see scales. Which animals have scale and how their scales prevent that particular animals. Okay, so body of fishes and reptiles are the body of fishes and reptiles covered by scale. Okay, which animals their body covered by scales? The reptiles and fish, their body covered with scales. Okay, and the scales of shrimp, fish are rigid while eel has no scales. Okay, most of the reptiles have horny scales to prevent water loss, and the snake also have scale, and because of that scale, snake crawl or move from one place to another place. The scales of snake help to move one place to another place, and it help to prevent their body from enemies. Okay, these are about the scales. The next one, that is the shell. A shell is a hard outer covering that protect animal when they are in danger. Okay, few animals, for example, the tortoise and turtles, crab have a shell, and because of that shell, turtles are prevent the tortoise are prevent itself from danger. Okay, or from enemies because of shell. So these are about the shell. The next one, that is the feathers. The birds have feathers in our body, and that feathers give the shape of birds, and it helps to fly in the sky. And also the feathers of bird keep themselves warm in cold, and also to protect from rain. The feathers are protect the birds from rain, and it kept warm in cold conditions. Okay, there are three kinds of feathers, that is flight feathers, down feathers and body feathers. These are about the feathers that present on the body of birds. Next one, that is fur and wool. Animals like sheep, goat and bear have a thick fur that cover their bodies. Thick fur protect bear from rain and cold. And sheep have wool. In the same way, the sheep hair keep them warm when it is cold. When the sheep live in a cold condition, at that time the wool are prevent from the cold or it kept warm. Okay, these all are about the body covering and adaptation in animal. I hope you all are got it about the adaptations and which animals adapted a feature according to their habitat, or they change their behavior according to their habitat. I hope you all have got it about adaptations. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice